Hello traders and welcome back to the Forex Geek. In today's video we are going to be talking about the fake breakout strategy, which is a crucial concept that can significantly impact your trading success. So fake breakouts occur when the price temporarily breaches key support or resistance levels but quickly reverses, often trapping unsuspecting traders. So understanding how to identify and trade these situations can help you avoid costly mistakes and seize profitable opportunities. Make sure to watch until the end as we will cover essential techniques that will enhance your trading skills and boost your confidence in navigating these markets. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. So what is a fake breakout? A fake breakout is a situation in trading where the price moves beyond a key support or resistance level, but then quickly reverses direction. This can mislead traders into thinking that a new trend is starting when in fact it is not. Understanding fake breakouts is essential because they can lead to significant losses if you enter a trade based on false signals. When a breakout occurs, many traders jump in expecting the price to continue moving in that direction. However, if the breakout is fake, the price will often return to its previous range, causing those who enter the trade to face losses or to take losses. For example, this is a trend, a bullish trend. So this bullish trend right now has formed a key trend line or a key support. Now we expect this market to pull back into the trend line and continue to the upside. So instead, we have this market does something like this and closes. A candle comes below this trend line and closes. So traders will be thinking that, okay, we are about to start a bearish trend, or we're about to change direction, the trend direction. But instead, the market just sweeps them all out and just continues to the upside, continues the trend to the upside. So this is a fake breakout, and it's important to you understand this. It's important to you know how to identify this, know the causes, the reasons why fake breakouts occur, and we'll cover all of this in the course of this video, so ensure you watch until the end. To avoid falling into the trap of fake breakouts, it's crucial to analyze price movements carefully and look for confirmations before entering trades. So let's talk about the key reasons for fake breakouts. But before that, let's look at the charts and identify fake breakouts. You can see we are bullish here, and we have price reacting to this area, forming a key trend line, and this trend line is a support trend line. So we should be expecting price to just come back to this trend line and give us the push to the upside, but instead price went below the trend line, and now traders may be looking to take short positions, not knowing that the market is bullish overall, and this is just a fake breakout. So it's important you learn how to identify this, and we will discuss that. So this is another example. We're bearish here, we have a fake breakout and continuation. Look at this one, we're bearish here, and we have this fake breakout and the continuation. Fake breakouts can be small, and they can also be as big as this. The candles can go as high as, but a fake breakout just helps, it triggers traders to move in the direction opposite of where the market is actually going to. For example, we are bullish here, and you see price giving us this consolidation in here. We have these fake breakouts here. Traders will be looking to take short positions at the close of these candles, but instead the market continues to the upside, gives us a pullback and continuation to the upside. So it's important we learn how to spot this fake breakout. So how to identify fake breakouts? We use volume to identify fake breakouts. So I have my volume indicator on already. So we use volume to identify fake breakouts. A genuine breakout is usually accompanied by high trading volume. If you notice low or decreasing volume during a breakout, it may indicate that the move lacks strength and it could be a trap. For example, you can see this candles here, this fake breakouts here, and you can see there's low volume at the same time. we're having this fake breakouts. There's low volume here, but the actual breakout which occurred right here, you can see increasing volume accompanying the breakout, the candles that formed this breakout. You can see increasing volume. We have rising volume here. See, there's rising volume as we had the breakout. So this is very crucial, and you should always confirm with the volume. But it's not every time the volume helps us confirm our breakout. We also use candlestick patterns. If you see certain candlestick patterns like your pin bar or your engulfing pattern, this is a pin bar right here. We have this rejection, or your engulfing pattern, or you see sudden gaps like this one here, you should know that this breakout is a fake one and is not going to last, or we are indeed not changing our trend, our original trend, anytime soon. So that is one way I use to spot fake breakouts, to identify fake breakouts. You can see we had the fake breakout here, and we have accompanying low trading volume around the time we had this fake breakout. But when we had the actual breakout here, you can see increasing buying volume right here. So this is exactly how I use to spot. I know you can also see the engulfing candlestick pattern here. We have this engulfing candlestick pattern, and the rejection also. We have this pin bar like candlestick pattern, and this dodge is showing indecision. It just shows that the market is not actually ready to start moving to the downside, but instead we are looking to continue in the range or break out to the opposite side. We also have this here. This is another example. This is a major resistance level right here. Is a major resistance level, but price just weaked out, and traders will have been looking to take long positions from this area where we had this fake breakout, and looking to buy. But you can see this is a fake breakout and at the same time we are having an engulfing candlestick pattern, a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, which shows us that indeed this is a fake breakout and we shouldn't be taking any buy trades, but instead we should be taking short trades to continue the trend to the downside. So that is it for examples. Let's talk about the reasons for breakout, the reasons for fake breakout. So fake breakouts can happen for several reasons, and understanding these factors is essential for improving your trading strategy. So there are two primary reasons for fake breakouts. The first one is market manipulation. So market manipulation is a significant reason behind fake breakouts. Large institutions or traders may intentionally push the price above or below key levels to create false signals. This tactic often aims to trigger stop loss orders from retail traders, forcing them out of their positions. Once these orders are executed, the market may reverse direction, allowing the manipulators to profit from the sudden price movement. So this is a very popular concept known in the forex market, where we call it liquidity sweep. So fake breakouts are just like liquidity sweeps, where the market goes to take out stop losses from retail traders in order to push price the opposite or intended direction. And that is exactly what happened here. You can see this area here, this was a key resistance level. So this area is expected to hold. Traders who have their buy position opened as we had this breakout here, or traders who had their stop losses also at these shorts, they will all be stopped out, all of them, and price continues to the downside. So this is just majorly market manipulation. So it's important you watch out for this market manipulation. Always wait for the candle close, and check out for candlestick patterns before you take your trades. Always wait out for confirmations. You can use volume. You can also use your other technical indicators like your moving average or your RSI. Another reason for fake breakouts is market fluctuations, and this occurs during high volatility periods such as major economic news or events. I think this looks like a major economic news event, this spike right here. So this is known like as market fluctuations. And these fluctuations can lead to a sudden price movements that do not reflect the underlying trend. During such time, it's vital to remain cautious and analyze market conditions before entering trades based on breakouts. So here we kind of like had the market change character. So we are expecting the trend to change from being bullish as it was to bearish. But then we had this news, this spike, the market fluctuation spiking above, taking out all stop loss orders from short traders before going to the intended direction, which is sell trade opportunity or the bearish trend. So these are the main reasons for fake breakouts. So if you want to trade fake breakouts, it's easy. One common strategy is to fade the breakout. This means you enter a trade in the opposite direction of the breakout when you suspect it may fail. For example, if you consider selling if the price breaks above a resistance level but shows signs of weakness. For example, we have this rejection here. This was a major level, and we were ranging. We were expecting this support line, this support level to hold, but we have price break below this. We have price break below this, so this could be a fake breakout. Why? Because the movement here is weak. The price activity, the price reaction here, the price action here is totally weak, and it doesn't indicate that the sell trade or the bearish trend is indeed about to start. So what you're going to do is just to trade to fade the breakout, or to just take a buy position or a position opposite to the breakout. For example, we are considering buying this trade now. So if price breaks below this support level just as it did, but it's showing sign of weakness, we should be looking to take a buy trade to the opposite direction. And this is exactly how we are able to catch this 1:4 risk to reward ratio. So let me look for another example. So we have this example here. This is fading the breakout. You can see signs of weakness. We have this rejection here, and this is a hammer, a pin bar, and you have this a rejection here. There's a candlestick pattern here, also a bullish candlestick pattern. So these are all signs of weakness, and we should be expecting buy trades instead of bearish trade, because these are all signs of weakness that a bearish trend is actually about to start. No, it's just signs of weakness, and we should be looking to buy instead. So that is one way you can fade you can trade the breakouts, by fading it. The next is by using pin bar and engulfing patterns or other chart patterns, just like I explained here. A pin bar is a candlestick with a long wick that indicates rejection of a price level. An engulfing pattern occurs when a large candle completely engulfs the previous one, signaling a potential reversal. So all of this could help us take buy trades when we spot a fake breakout happening. So let me just see if I'm going to see another example. Okay, this is great. We have this example here. Price was bearish, and we had this fake breakout. Now we have a bearish tree inside down candlestick pattern, where you have the first candle and the second candle being within the range of the first candle, and the third candle breaking the low of the first candle. We've talked about this on the channel. You can go and watch our comprehensive video on the tree inside candlestick pattern. It's very useful. So when you spot this candlestick pattern, it points to one thing, that we should be looking for short trade opportunities or to continue this bearish trend. So as you can see this, so we could now enter our short trade at the close of that candlestick pattern and look to target a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, or we could just target key support levels like this one. So by recognizing these patterns, you can identify potential fake breakouts and enter trades with more confidence. Alright traders, you've come to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to also turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy trading.